राज्यपाल पी.एस. श्रीधरन पिल्लय हांणी शुक्रारा दिवचल मालांतल्या अडवलपाल गांवाक भेट दिली। दिवचलचे आमदार दोतोर चंद्रकांत शेटयेन राज्यपाल पिल्लय हांकां येवकार दिलो। राज्यपाल पी.एस. श्रीधरन पिल्लय हांणी शुक्रारा सकाळी दिवचल अडवलपाल गांवांतल्या श्री शर्वाणी देवीचे दर्शन आनी आशीर्वाद घेतले। ह्या वेळार दिवचलचे आमदार दोतोर चंद्रकांत शेटये हाजीर आशिल्ले। हनुमान देवळांतून वचून तांच्यांनी कावी कलेची पळोवणी केली। तांचे वांगडा तांची घरकान्न रिटा हाजीर आशिल्ली। देवदर्शन जातकीर राज्यपाल पी.एस. श्रीधरन पिल्लय हांणी लामगांवच्या विश्वासराव देसाय हांच्या घराक भेट दिली। राज्यपाल पिल्लय हांणी घरांतल्या कावी कलेची पळोवणी करून समाधान उक्तायलें।
Historian is always helping Rajbhavan regarding all these things, Mr. Desai. Also contributed, Nurvardhan also special officer for this purpose. Because of their effort, more research on this subject was made and paper is presented to me. I have also occasion to look into it. Mr. Rao also is planning, is also a planner in this regard, and congratulating everybody. Our Rajbhavan has decided to promote this art, and 4 days, a workshop inside Rajbhavan. Rajbhavan is arranging. About 25 participants will be there. We are going to promote them, even financially. On that day, we will the mandatory function. Chief Minister and some other guests will come. The local MLA also from here I invited, and we will give 25,000 rupees each to all these traditional artists.
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर दिवचलच्यान रिपोर्टर तुकाराम सावंत।